Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, judges.
Good afternoon, Yasmin.
My name is Yasmin and I'm from Pipan Capital. Today, I would like to talk about one of the greatest inventions in human history. What is it? Yeah, it's internet. Internet was first developed from a military project in the United States called by ARPANET in the late 1960s. Over time, it grew into the global internet we use today. The internet allows all people all over the world to communicate, learn, work without distance or time limits. We can find information instantly, learning, study, work in our society in amazing ways. I think that's all for my speech.